this is the continuation of the counting of the vowels in a sentence, right? But here this is a Windows form project. What I've done here is I've taken a text field for user to enter a string. We can put even a label right there. It won't hurt to put a label, right? Let's say enter a string. So we can put a label here, and this is a text field. I have placed a text field, and the text field I named it as input string, and the submit button and a list box. So when you enter the string here and click the submit, we will take the input string and go over the same algorithm that we did before, figuring out the length, defining the variables, and a for loop, very identical to what we did before, except that instead of displaying on the console, we need to display the letters in the list box. And the one we are going to use, the method is the insert, and insert is going to tell you, if you see here the help, it says the index as integer and the object basically. So at 0 we're going to add the count of the vowel A, and we need to convert that to string, because this is a if you see it's a byte, so you need to convert to a string to insert into a list box. And at each letter, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, right? So we're going to insert. So there's no rocket science here. So let's go and figure out what we did here too in the button. So button click, when you click the button, and normally you cannot define a letter E because it's a clash. So I changed that E to evens here. So in your case, when you make this project, make sure that if you have an error, you just change one of the variables. Okay, I changed the variable to evens. For now, that's okay. I'll explain you what those are. Okay, I've not done that yet. And so that's it. And same. So here I go and start debugging. So I allow college. This is your president. Eat lots of apples. And say submit. You have those things, right? What we saw before. So that is the list box. In fact, this doesn't look good. So what we can do here, we can change the list box here. We can say A equal with a colon, or A equal to, then append the string, and here E I'm just making it a little easier to read, right? So now, instead of just putting the numbers, I'm going to say A equal to so much, B equal to so much. So you will see here, hello college. This is your president. Eat lots of apples. Right, so do it. You see a equal to 2, so all that. Yeah, makes sense, right? Okay, so that is the technique we do in Visual Basic Windows form. All right, there's no rocket science here. I'll attach this project later. Okay, thank you.